In this video I am going to show you guys how to stick text to an object in a video by using DaVinci Resolve's tracking feature. To get started, you're going to want to click on the clip you want to add the text to and go into the Fusion tab. Now once you're in the Fusion tab, hit Shift and space to bring up the tool selector. Next, search up Tracker and add that between your media in and media out. Make sure you are at the start of your clip and click and drag the tracker onto the object you want to track. It helps if the object has a high contrast point so it can track better. Once you have it set, go over and hit the Track Forward button. It's going to start tracking the video. Now click on the Operation tab and select Match Move from the drop-down menu. Head over to the Effects tab and under Template the callout text. You can any text you want. This is just the text I am going to use. Now connect it to the tracker node and adjust to the text to the word and position you want it to be. And there you go, you have stuck this text to an object and tracked its movements. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and drop a like on it and hit subscribe to see more tutorials. Feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments below. See you in the next one.